We're here with Scott Brooks, one of the biggest fans for Great Britain.
Hey.
We're here with Scott Brooks, Team Great Britain. We're here with Scott Brooks, Team Great Britain, one of the biggest fans out there today. How do you liking the races?
Yeah, good. They're really good. They're exciting.
You want to get out there and ski around with those guys?
Yeah, but you know me, I just dived.
How long have you been skiing, Scott?
6 years, 6, 7 years.
And who are you out there watching today?
Carl Brooks, he's skiing in the men's Formula 1 when I had no mercy today.
Yeah, is he one of the best?
Not one of the best, but he's lying 4th overall, and he's second world.
So, what are you thinking when you're out there skiing fast?
Me or my brother?
You.
Just concentrate and do your best.
You wear the helmet and gear and ski wrapped up yet?
Yep, yeah.
Who taught you to do that?
My dad and my uncle.
How many family members do you have in ski racing?
Quite a lot. 5, about 10.
Yeah. Tell me some of the places you like to race.
Hunstanton, that's in England, Winspool, Chasewater.
What's your favorite boat out there today?
No Mercy is my own boat. Support
What?
it.
7?
7. 7.